So how can you remove not assigned contacts from your Android? So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it kind of depends on which contacts application you are using, because there is, if you have a Samsung phone, there is the Samsung contacts as well as the Google contacts, which works on any Android phone. But if we start with the Samsung one, you can go to the more options and then tap on manage contacts, and you can kind of like export, import, merge, and so on. So for example, you can see if you go to the merge, you can like put together duplicate contacts. So that would technically remove the not assigned as long as they are like duplicated, right? But you can also go to the sync contacts section, and this is going to allow you to enable or disable contacts from different places. So you might see multiple different accounts, for example, the Samsung account or different Google ones, just like in my case. And if you just want to remove some of them, which you perhaps don't know how to categorize or assign, you can turn off one of these things in here and see what happens, because it's possible that some of these accounts are bringing in contacts which you don't really want there to be. So this is how you can manage it. Or you can as well tap on the add more, and you have the ability to add even more like accounts and contacts in here. So that's how it works through the Samsung contacts, but you can as well explore the Google one, and in there it kind of works in a similar way, because you can basically select which contacts are going to appear. You can tap on all of them, or those only stored on a device or from different accounts, so you can kind of like switch between them, and it's really nice to see it this way. And obviously you can switch between accounts right here. So it depends on what really is going on, but it's mostly going to be about the syncing and the accounts. So make sure you play around with it, and the contacts which don't really belong anywhere are going to disappear or appear, so you'll see exactly which they are. Now, I really hope I was able to explain how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely stay tuned for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.